Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the solution of general Fredholm integral equation of second kind. Solution of Fredholm integral equation of second kind with separable kernel. The method of the solving of these type of the problems is very similar to the method we have discussed to solve the homogeneous Fredholm integral equation of the second kind. The method of the solving of these type of the problems is very similar to that method as we have discussed in solving the homogeneous Fredholm integral equations. So, to discuss about the method of these type of the problems, we will discuss the solution of a problem, and the problem is solve the Fredholm integral equation and the integral equation is gx is equals to sin x. Gx is equals to sin x plus lambda integral 0 to pi by 2 sin x into cos t dt. Sin x into cos t, sin x into cos t gt dt. This is the given problem. This is the general Fredholm integral equation of second kind. Now to solve this problem, the problem is given as gx is equals to sin x plus lambda. This can be written by separating the kernel. We can write it as lambda into sin x integral 0 to pi by 2 cos t gt dt. And this can be written as sin x plus lambda into sin x into c, lambda into sin x into c, or we can write it as 1 plus lambda into c multiplied by sin x, where c is equals to integral 0 to pi by 2 cos t gt dt. Now in order to find the solution of this problem, we have to find the value of gx, and the value of gx is given by equation number 2. Now our task is to find the value of gx. We have to find the value of c, which is given by equation number 3. So our task remains to find the value of c. So the value of c is given by c is equals to integral 0 to pi by 2 cos t into gt. Gx is given here. So gt is 1 plus lambda c into sin t dt. Or this can be written as 1 plus lambda c is constant, integral 0 to pi by 2 sin t into cos t. So we can write it as sin 2t upon 2 dt. Or we can write it as 1 plus lambda into c divided by 2. The integral of this one is, the integration of this one is, the integration of sin 2t is cos 2t upon cos 2t upon 2 with minus sign, and the limits are from 0 to pi by 2. So by integrating this one, we get the value of this one. So if we put the value of t, then we get this value as 1 plus lambda c upon 1 plus lambda c upon 2. So the value of c can be found from this one as 2c is equals to 1 plus lambda c, or c is equals to 1 plus 2 minus 1 upon 2 minus lambda. So c is equals to, the value of c is equals to 1 minus 1 upon 2 minus lambda. The condition should be that lambda should not be equals to 2. So the value of c is equals to 1 upon 2 minus lambda. Now if you put the value of c as 1 upon 2 minus lambda, we get the required solution as gx. So gx is equals to 1 plus lambda c. So 1 plus lambda into c. C is 1 upon 2 minus lambda. This is c multiplied by sin x, or we can solve this one as 2 minus lambda plus lambda upon 2 minus lambda plus lambda upon 2 minus lambda into sin x. So we get gx is equals to, so gx is equals to, lambda is cancelled, 2 upon 2 minus lambda into sin x, where lambda should not be equals to 2, and this is the required solution of the given integral equation, which is the required solution of the given integral equation. So in this manner, we can find the solution of a general Fredholm integral equation of second kind. Thank you very much.